Let's turn the ordinary into fantasy. Create a world wild and free. Make stuff and craft with me.
Hiya, in this video I'm going to be testing out this diamond painting set. It's the first diamond painting that I've ever done. I've been wanting to try them for ages, but they were expensive when they first come out. Now there's like a few cheaper sets around. I thought I'd give it a go. I've actually had this for a while. I got it back in at the beginning of November. It was part of the Rangers Halloween craft sets. I got it half price. I think it ended up being like £1.50 or something. I think it was originally about £3. So it's just a small canvas. It's not completely covered in diamonds, just this skeleton dude thing. Not quite sure what it's meant to be. It's wearing a witch's hat and it's a skull, so I'm wearing a suit. Who knows what it's meant to be. So everything is actually nice and neatly packed inside the canvas, and we're going to see how this goes. One thing it did annoy me about this, so the plastic on top is actually stapled to the back of it. It'd be nice if it was just stuck on top. We could easily peel it off, but a couple of edges were actually stapled. So you get everything you need. Get the little bags to put the loose diamonds in if you don't use them all, or if you do it by sections. That's another thing. I weren't quite sure whether to do it in little sections, or because it is such a small one, do all colour, like all of one colour. So I've got the little pen stylus-y thing, not sure what it's called. I know these things are called drills. The little diamondy bits. So I opened those up, make sure I had all the colours needed, because no, my luck, something would be wrong. And there's actually plenty of them. I had loads left over. So I'm not quite sure. I know what I'm going to do with those. Maybe after a few diamond paintings, I can see what I've got left and create my own. I don't know, because I do like pixel art. So originally I did start just doing one little section just to test it out, and then I moved on to just doing all of one colour, which I knew from the start was going to annoy me, because I'd probably move on to the next colour and find one that I didn't do, which actually only happened twice. So here I am starting. And guess what I did for my first ever one? I put it wonky. Didn't even put it in the exact right space. From the majority of it, I actually did do pretty well with putting them in the right space. As long as you don't press too hard when you're placing them, you can move them slightly if they are slightly on the hair or wonky. This took me a few hours to do. It weren't very big, but it did take me a few hours. I did it all in one day. It took me a few hours. Don't know how long, didn't time myself. But other than that first one, that was pretty wonky. The majority of them were pretty good. So I was just going to start off with this corner. And I think with larger ones, I'd keep with the same setup. I'd do like little sections at a time. But doing that the majority of the time is taken up by changing over the colours. I suppose once I've got a few kits, I'll have a few little trays and I could have multiple colours out at once. But until then, I'm going to do it the slow way. And I've already decided I'm not going to use one of those tools where you can put multiple ones down, because I know that won't work for me. I'll end up somehow still making it wonky. And I'm not even going to attempt that. So for what it was, it is actually kind of a nifty little set. And I've already ordered a couple of more. Like I say, I haven't ordered any of the expensive ones yet, but I have ordered some from Temu, which is, I'm kind of iffy of how they're going to look, because they are cheap. So I don't know how so it's kind of going to be like a test of Temu's as well, because yeah, I don't know, certain things is like that seems too cheap to actually be decent, but I'm gonna try it anyway. You gotta test these things out, and if they don't work I'll stick with like the Rangers versions and stuff. But I did like the way this one actually came out, all the different colours and everything, and how shiny it is. I just got to find a place to put it now. That's the only problem. I've already got loads of my own paintings on the wall and stuff, so like all the pixel art that I've actually painted. So I don't know where all these are going to go. I think it's going to be a shame just to have them all in storage. But yeah, this kit was really good. I'm definitely going to be getting more. Quite relaxing. As long as it's not too low down on the table, you won't get a bad back, but this was a bit low. I had to move it up, like put some stuff under it so it's higher when it was off camera, because my back was killing me, getting old. Yeah, so it was really good. So I'll be testing out some more kits in the future and doing some more diamond paintings. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.